Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hatcha, tiger, bite toe. If he hollers, let him go. My mom picks the very best one, and you are it.
That looks like it's rigged.
I picked this one, Mom. I picked the Yellowstone Shepherd.
I'm glad that just one guy doesn't pick the president like that.
Put those things away, okay? What are you gonna dress as? Mom?
A tired mommy.
No! You have to get a costume.
I'm gonna be you.
No!
I'm gonna say, hey Simon,
No!
give me some milk.
Stop, Dad. Don't force me to do something.
You forced me to get you milk. Right?
Mm-mm.
What do you say to me?
I just asked for milk.
You say, I want it. Right?
No, I don't.
Okay. Are you happy?
I'm looking at this, Dad.